guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now I am arriving in Rancho Cucamonga. I know that's a mouthful but we're on our way out here because we're gonna need a couple car parts for my car, my G35, the G37 front end conversion Ruby. Picking up two parts for my car. One is a door panel. My passenger door panel is kind of like burnt up somewhere up here in the top, and it's been bugging me. And when I bought the car, it came like that, so it's been there for 2+ years since I've owned the car, and it's time to finally replace it. So we're gonna meet up with Amira and Adam. If you guys don't know who they are, they have a huge assortment of parts for G35, G37, G350Z, 370s, all that. So that's what they dedicate themselves to, and they do auto to manual swaps and all that, etc., etc. They do a bunch of work with G's and Z's. Got my door panel, and as you guys can see, got Nismo G35s. Got them right here, mirror in the back. They got convertible
37 Vert, 04 soon to be HR swap sedan, and a real IPL.
There you have it.
Adam J 7000 on the gram. I deal with Infinity and G35 parts and services. Usually my wife deals with most of the logistics. I deal with most of the wrench turning, so hit her up if you want faster customer service.
For sure. And again, guys, they have almost any kind of part that you guys would need for G35, G37, 350.
Ds, HRs, VHRs, a little bit of everything.
There you guys have it. Right now, I'm gonna be heading on my way to go pick up my Motordyne Art Pipe. So I'm super excited about that. So let's get going. All right, here we have it. SoCal Z.
Here, my business partner, he's the fabricator. He's High Performance 01.
For sure.
And he's the one that does the installs on all the Lucid kits and shit like that we do.
For sure.
We do superchargers, twin turbos, shit like that.
My first set of art pipes.
Yeah. We take them out, man. Their package really nice.
No, I'll just leave it in. Huge shout out, Tony. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Man, anytime. If you need, hit me up.
There you guys have it.
SoCalZ.net.
There you go. Get home, install these, and I'll show you guys a before and after exhaust video clip on how Ruby sounds like with the muffler delete, and then with the art pipes and a muffler delete. So we got here, right here, we have my car, Ruby. Then we got Marshall right here, my cousin. He owns the Strike G, the G35 and NOS. So we're actually gonna be doing his Motordyne full exhaust install later on today too. So, but that will be in a separate video, so you guys will get to see that later on. All right, so right here we're gonna do a cold start so you guys can hear what my exhaust sounds like as of now. FYI, muffler delete, Megan white pipe, and one resonator. That's all it has. We have Ruby over here in the workstation. I spray PB Blesser on all the bolts so we can loosen them all up. And yeah, so right now we're gonna jack up the car too. All right, we got jack stands in. Good to go. And then right here, you guys can see we have the first two bolts right here. This one and this one. And then we just have to reach up around to get the top ones.
Oh,
right.
We'll spray it mientras que vamos a agarrarlo.
Oh yeah. Okay. So right here you guys can see the bolts. Let's see. I can zoom in, focus, come on. Yeah, there you guys have it. So those bolts right there, those are the top ones we need to remove. There's a third one right, I guess you can't see it, but it's too dark, but there's 3 bolts holding the top. So we're going to be getting those out. Same with this side. We might have to remove the intake. And since I have the car up, I think I'm gonna do an oil change on my car since it's already like up here in this position. All right, here we have it. Get the oil filter off too. All right, so here we have it. We got the bolt and extension going all the way down. You guys can see that. So right now we need Mars. Get down there. Come on, miss. All right, get down. Get down there and like make sure it's aligned so I can actually start turning this thing.
Right here? Oh, perfect. Perfect. Go.
All right, here we go. Yep.
Perfect, huh?
Yep.
Oh, shit.
All right, so we got the second one in place. Second one on top. So let's get this off real quick too. Oh, yep, easy. Okay, so that side's off. Now on this side, in order to reach the bolts, as you guys could see, they're right down there. Come on, focus. We can see them right there. It's that one, top and bottom, right behind the steering column. But in order to get to there, we need to remove the intake real quick. All right, intake is out of the way. Easy access to the bolts right there. So let's get those off. Get the O2 sensors out. Just got this one out right now. There we go. That's quick and easy.
Good shit.
Yeah. Yep, just like that.
Oh, shit.
Yep. Real quick. Yep, it's off. All right, cool. All right, trying to get this one. Yeah, bigger jack. Oh, yep.
What?
This one is out.
Yep.
Yep. All right, there you go. All right, here we have it, old cats, and we got Motordyne Art Pipes right here. All right, and here we have new hardware. Good to go for the new art pipes. As you know, nothing ever goes according to plan. So this damn O2 sensor will not come off. And when I pulled it out from the original cats, it broke off with the housing that it screws onto. So I've been trying this whole time trying to remove it. It's just not working out. And I'm starting to basically strip it, as you could tell. And I'm just not going to bother with it. So I'm going to have to buy a new one, unfortunately. So that's that. So right now, another quick trip to O'Reilly Auto Parts. Oh, wait. I could probably break it off like this. All right, so our pipes are in and they look so damn good. JD just showed up. Okay. With all right, let's see how she sounds.
I've heard that said before, like muffler leak on our pipes. Sounds pretty decent.
Don't rev it, eh? It sounds aggressive. It has like a deeper tone to it. Yeah.
Is that normal? There's a rattling.
Yeah, that rattling's not normal.
It could be the heat shield.
Yeah, it sounds like something's hitting.
I might know what it is. There's a heat shield from the stock cats. You sometimes it rubs against it. So some people they hammer it.
Oh, okay, okay.
So
All right, give it a few revs up to like 3.
that's more raw. Oh, that was fun.
I know. Do another one. It sounds deeper. It sounds more aggressive.
Hell yeah.
Like do it up to 4. All right, go for it. Yup. Definitely sounds real damn good.
It sounds beefy.
All right, we're about to go do some rollers. Damn, she looks so good. So I'm gonna set you guys down, get another cold startup going. Yeah, it definitely sounds so much more aggressive. All right, so right here I'm gonna give it a quick rev. I'm gonna do a 3,000 rev, 4,000 rev, and a 5,000 rev. All right, guys, it's the next day. So this car is basically a lot more louder and more aggressive sounding than what it used to be. So gonna have to be careful with that, stepping on it while I'm near cops or something like that. But other than that, I love it. Maybe in the future I'll get full Motordyne exhaust, or I'll do this custom exhaust that I keep wanting, but you guys will have to stay tuned for that later on. But again, thank you guys for always supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.